Hi, my name is Dan, and this is Lily. At the Visual Cut and Paste Masterclass, we will choose some favorite materials and combine them into a collage with text and images. We will discuss collage and how it recycles elements of our everyday life, how it can be given political inclinations, and how to use cut and paste as a ritual. Ahead of this workshop, I encourage you to go looking for material that inspires you. Things like old books, magazine pages, interesting patterned materials, as well as texts that you could integrate into your collage. This particular masterclass takes a more visual and intuitive approach to writing. You will have time to try out different exercises and compose your own collage pieces. Make sure you've got some glue, hobby knife, or scissors. I can't wait to see you at the workshop. Say hi to the camera, Lily. I know you like it.